Today, the live cattle market dropped. The first call for 2019 seems to be at a discount. It was a little bit of a surprise. The delay perhaps has caused this. I think that there isn't going to be any changes tomorrow either, so I suspect that we'll see the market maybe a little bit easier, but maybe even moving sideways. Let's look for Monday for them to really shore up this market, because this would be normally a time where the market would balance out. So we're going to watch if something comes out of the new Congress either later today or tomorrow. We could possibly see some movement on the idea that there's going to be some kind of change or some kind of progress in the talks with the U.S. and China, because that would be significant, certainly for the livestock market all across the board. Feeders also slipped today, not really as much as the live cattle drop, but the downturn seems to be just a correction. A post-holiday sell-off does have a few traders concerned that there could be some follow-through selling, but we don't see it materialize really right now as of yet. It's kind of a watch and see kind of game right now, and the seasonal rise is still the norm for right now, so we don't expect to see this market really fall out all that much, but today it was definitely lower. Hogs were higher today. Now, the packer competition is on the rise. I think that everyone is in the market with next week being the first full kill week for pork production, and everyone is just stepping up to the plate to try to get their bids in, and that really pushed the market a little bit higher. Now, yesterday we had a big spike in the market in hogs. It came back down and going to close just slightly higher. Today, the market is just churning again a little bit more, and all else is still at issue. So we're waiting for what's going to happen with the U.S.-China trade wars, as well as what's going to happen with the government shutdown, because the government shutdown is going to be first and foremost, then maybe a trade resolution. So we are a little bit wait and see, but the market is rising a little bit. So it's kind of like a tick-tock, tick-tock. Let's wait and hope that we're going to get an answer. I mean, tomorrow would be fantastic, but it looks like next week we might be able to get a little bit more of an idea on how far this is going to go.